Have you ever seen a real white chocolate made with the same pure cocoa butter that gives your skin that silky glow?
I cannot.
You are about to. And trust me,
So
it has satisfying to make as it is to melt on your tongue or your
mm,
skin.
mm,
This isn't
mm,
store-bought chocolate.
mm.
We are melting unrefined cocoa butter straight from nature, golden and aromatic. Using a gentle water bath, it's the same ingredient I use in my body butters, now turning into a creamy, dreamy white chocolate bar. Once that cocoa butter melts to perfection, in goes the powdered milk for that soft, creamy flavor. And it's time for the powdered sugar to go in. The texture, smooth, but the aroma, oh, it's divine. That subtle cocoa scent that reminds you of skincare days and self-care nights. Now we'll pour it into silicone molds. Then I'll put it in the freezer for a few minutes to harden up. You see that? And here comes the fun part, a surprise layer of strawberry wafers, crispy, fruity, and so satisfying to break through when it's set. That silky pour is your skin on cocoa butter. Strawberry wafers for a crunch because skincare should be fun. See, what you put on your skin can be this pure, this simple. This exact cocoa butter, I sell it. Link in the comments below to feel the difference. So, do I eat it or use it? Comment below. When I tell you this bar is more than just a treat, I mean it. It's a full cycle from nourishing your skin to nourishing your soul. Unrefined cocoa butter is nature's gift, and it's the heart of everything I create. If you love pure ingredients, the kind that melt on your skin and in your chocolate, hit that like button. Comment below. Would you rather use cocoa butter on your skin or taste it in chocolate first? And don't forget to check the description. I've linked where you can get the same unrefined cocoa butter that I use here. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. Mwah.
The big reveal is gonna be. Ooh, look at that! Oh, so pretty.